Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today I will explain how to run k-fold cross validations using NeoBias in KNIME. So NeoBias is a popular machine learning algorithm used for classification tasks. It is based on Bayes' theorem and makes an assumption that the features used for classification are conditionally independent, which means that the presence or absence of one feature does not affect the presence or absence of any other feature. In practice, NeoBias is commonly used for text classification, spam detection, and other similar tasks where the assumption of conditional independence of features may hold reasonably well. This assumption allows the algorithm to be computationally efficient and works well on large data sets. Today, we are going to understand what is a cross validation. It is a technique for validating the model efficiency by training it on the subset of input data and testing on previously unseen subset of the input data. We can also say that it is a technique to check how a statistical model generalizes to an independent data set. Say, for example, we are having a data set which will be split into training and testing data set. To identify the base parameters, this training data will be fed and we will be running the cross validation. From these parameters, after running the cross validation, we will get the base parameters. This base parameters will be again used for retraining the model. After retraining the model, the final evaluation will be done of the test data. Now the question arises how we will do the cross validation. So you can see here that the gray one is the all data. This data will be divided into training and testing data. The green color consists of training and blue color consists of testing data. Now the data set will be divided into some folds. Say for example, if we are having 100 observations, then the data will be divided into 5 folds, means 20, 20, 20, 20 and 20. In first iteration or first split, the blue color, the fold 1 becomes the testing data and fold 2, 3, 4, 5 becomes the training data. In the second split, fold 1, fold 3, 4, fold 4, fold 5 will become training data and fold 2 will become the testing data. This we will continue for quite a number of times. After this, we will find out the best parameter. These parameters will be used for the final evaluation of the testing data. Now, how we can run k-fold cross validation? Let's see in KNIME. So I'll activate the input output node from here. I'll double click on it. Browse the data set. My data set is in CSV format, and that's the reason I've activated the CSV node. Part 1. Press open. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the file table. So we want to classify the heart disease on the basis of age, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, and maximum hours of exercise. Now, I'll activate the normalizer from here, as all the variables are on different scale. So activate the normalizer. Right click on it, configure. So we'll consider age, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, fasting blood sugar is not considered, and the normalization, which we'll consider is mean max normalization. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now activate the X partitioner used for k-fold cross validation. X partitioner. Right click on it, configure. How many number of validations we want? 10 validations. And activate the stratified sampling heart disease. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now again activate NeoBias learner. Right click on it and configure. Make sure heart disease is our target variable. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now again activate the NeoBias predictor. I'll request all my viewers to kindly refer the previous videos to understand the flow of this lecture series. Now this predictor will get its learning from NeoBias learner, but it will get its data set from this partitioner. Right click, configure, check The two boxes, there is a change prediction column name and append columns with the normalized class distribution. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the classified data. So this is the prediction according to the algorithm. And this is the real data. Now we want to do the aggregation of all this kfold cross-validation. So I'll activate the aggregate. Right click on it, configure. So the target column is hard disk and prediction column is hard disk. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. So let's see the prediction table. Yeah, it's giving me the same thing. The predicted algorithm as well as the hard disk. We want to see how well we are able to achieve the results. Are we able to increase the accuracy score or not by using this k-fold validation, or let's see. So activate the scorer. Right click on it and configure. Our hard disk is the original data set. And prediction hard disk is according to the algorithm. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and view the confusion matrix. So 340 are such cases in which the person did not have the hard disk and the algorithm also predicted correctly. Here, the person had the hard disk in case this is 446 such cases are there in which the person was having the hard disk and the algorithm also predicted yes. 62 plus 70 are misclassified cases, which are 132 total. The total classification accuracy which has been achieved by k-fold cross-validation is 85%, which is considered to be quite good, and the model is stable. So this is a way you can run k-fold cross-validation in KNIME using nearbias. For more videos on KNIME, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on KNIME.